Today we are going to solve easy arithmetic problems. So let us look into the question. It says if P number of pens cost T cents, how many widgets Lisa can buy for M dollars? So we are meant to develop a relationship from this question and then match from the right hand side options. So I'm going to use the unitary method to solve these problems. Since T cents, with T cents we can buy P number of pens. So for 1 cent we can buy P divided by T number of pens. So finally, how many pens can be bought for M dollars? So for M dollars, since we are all doing it in cent, I'll just convert this dollar amount into cent. So 100 and M cent, for that we can buy P into M into 100 divided by T numbers of pens. So our answer would be 100 MP by T, which is the first option. So by using unitary method we can solve lots of these arithmetic problems very easily.